Today's unboxing video is going to be on something for the C30. Now, if you're doing an LS swap, you might want to keep your stock tank on your C10, K10, K20, you know, same thing on all them trucks. Or you're going with a Blazer tank. We're keeping the stock tank, and this is a 20-gallon, this big ass box. And I'm going to be unboxing this for you, showing you what comes in this box with this kit that you can pick up at Advance Auto, with the part number that I'm going to show you, and explain to you how we're going to set it up on this C30. All in this video. Enjoy. So the part number, guys. Oh God. Yes. That's the tank we're using. So I'm going to set this down. We're going to unbox it. Somewhat. A lot of YouTubers got fancy tables and everything to unbox the stuff on. I'm outside in the gravel. Just your average, everyday, you would find either your driveway or you got a gravel driveway, depending where you're at. No fancy tables here, guys. So I'm going to turn this big package around, open it up, take a handy dandy knife. If you're using a knife, be careful. You can cut yourself, always be safe, no matter how simple and easy you think it might be. Safety first, no matter what you're doing. Better be safe than sorry. So I'm just going to open this box as good as I can, while trying to be safe, and you guys watching me struggle. Ha! We are now open. So I'm going to put my knife up. Since I opened it, I'm going to be the one to close it. No way am I superstitious. Just saying. Ooh, a brand new tank, guys. Let's get it out, shall we? It's exciting. So let's check it out. It's got some kind of a nice coating on it. I don't know what you would call this coating, but this is not bare steel, is it? If this is bare steel, then it's got a light anti-rust coating on it. Either way, you want to prep this and paint this tank before you put it on. I got a video of painting a new tank, prepping it for putting it on, but I will be doing one on this tank also, as the other one is a Ford tank, but all tanks, if they metal, is the same pretty much. So we got this sticker over the vent, and that's pretty simple, or overflow, whatever you want to call it. It comes up here and it goes to the same, it connects. So I guess if you overfill the tank, it runs back down the neck, as whatever you want to call it. Inside, it's nice and clean. Very nice on the inside. Now this tank is a 20-gallon tank, guys. They make, I think, a 16 and a 20. This is the 20, and this is what's on my C30. I got dual tanks, and eventually I will put dual tanks on this with the LS swap. But for now, I'll show you the stock tanks. This is the stock tanks. The one on the other side actually got a hole webbed into it, because whenever somebody installed these, they installed them, if you look, this is metal. No tank support, you know, rubbers. And if you know anything about a bracket, if you got metal on metal, it'll rub a hole in it. Even though we got rubber up top, it looks like on this one, they don't have it on the bottom, and it just rubbed the hole on the other side. Now these tanks look like they was replaced once upon a time. It's time to replace them anyway again, simply because I'm doing this LS swap, and I don't know what shape they are on the inside. And the tank is cheap enough to just replace. I mean, I think around $100 you can get a tank, and just put a new tank on it, guys. It ain't worth the time unless you're on a budget and that $100 will run you over. In my case, this is $200 because I'll be replacing 2 tanks. So my cost is double, 2 sending units, 2, you know, it's always something. But for now, I'm just going to do one side because I ain't been using that one side. If that makes sense. Hoses on the LS swap will need to be redone. You got a vent, you got a return, and you see mine's got one plugged off there and unhooked. That is a throttle body setup. Right here. See? Just plugged off. These tanks were set up for throttle bodies. So technically, they should be ready for a fuel pump. And I can just update my fuel pump, guys, with using the stock sending units for a throttle body for around, I'd say, a 91 Chevy or this year trucks, using the throttle bodies, sending units for the 20-gallon tanks with the newer model. Just a fuel pump. I done got on a video unboxing. You need the link. Let me know in the description and I'll send it to you. Just hook that fuel pump on that, and you will instantly have your LS fuel pressure. So use the sending unit for the old throttle body trucks for this style gas tank, and just change your fuel pump. You don't have to buy a whole sending unit, just buy the fuel pump itself. It's around $35. It ain't much at all. It's very easy to do. So that's what we're going to do on this truck. We're going to replace the tanks, sending, and run an all new fuel system for this C30. So this is the C30, guys, in case you ain't seen it and new to the channel. I do got a buddy of mine, Subaru, on there. We'll be putting a motor in it eventually, hopefully, and doing a ton of videos on it. Got some plywood. I was working on some fish tanks, building stands, need to move them. Got a Chevelle and a Grand Dam also needs worked on. The 70 Camaro conversion, I'm just getting an idea of how I'm going to cut it and test fit this and convert this at the moment. So that's content to look forward to that will soon be on the channel. But all in all, I'm very happy with the tank. I will be ordering another tank eventually for this, but till then I'm going to stick this back in the box and set it up out of the way, and wait for the time to put the fuel system in it, and then I will go from there.